Our next award and the next honoree has become a green force in the national capital, consistently organizing environmental awareness campaigns, conducting terrace gardening workshops, and running a nursery to encourage sapling distribution. His mission to make Delhi clean and green. May I welcome on stage Pravin Mishra, environmentalist and founder of Mission Green Delhi, to receive the honor. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Mishra? Our next change maker is empowering climate action with tech. Her app, Cool the Globe, has brought together users from over 100 countries and helped prevent over 2 million kilos of emissions. Recognized by the Finance Minister